Hello everyone, my name is Aida Ziori and I am interior designer at Stylux Design and Construction. The other day I went to Vancouver Interior Design Show and I saw a lot of interesting products. Some of them I have used in the past and some were new to me. Technology rapidly growing and new products and feature pops up every single day, and I think it's very important to be on top of that as an interior designer. In this video, I'm going to show you new technologies and products that are available and you can use them in your home to make it more functional. Some of these products that you see in this video I've already used in my past projects, and some I'm hoping to have an opportunity to use them in my future projects. Without further ado, let's check out these smart products. The first time that I saw smart glass, it seemed like my dreams come true. This to me is an amazing invention. So what is a smart glass? Basically, smart glass is switchable glass or switchable window that with one click can change from translucent to transparent. I have used a smart window system in my swimming pool project. Basically, with one click, all the windows become transparent and there was no need for blinds or shade. The smart glass has 99% UVA and UVB protection, as well as estimates around 40% heat rejection. There are so many places that I can think of that you can use this product, such as office meeting room, bathroom, swimming pool. And if you haven't seen the swimming pool that I designed, you should check it out. I leave the link in the description box. Most of us have so many remote control at home. One that controls the TV, one brings the blind down, one turns on the music, and the list goes on. I used to define area that all the remote controls should go in my detailed design because I find every time that I needed a remote control for something, exactly the one that I was looking for was missing. Now this new technology that we call Control 4 changed everything. With Control 4, you can have access to your entire house at once, and you don't have to carry the remote control everywhere with you and have them marked so they don't get mixed. With Control 4, you can control your lighting, audio, TV, home security system, thermostat, video cameras, your home theater, and this list goes on. Think about this, you just decide to go to bed and suddenly you just remember you're not sure if you locked the front door or not, so you go all the way downstairs to check the front door. But if you had Control 4, with just your phone or one click, you can lock your front door. Isn't that convenient? I've used this system in few of my projects, and in fact I had a very big project in British property, West Vancouver, and we installed touchscreen in every single room. And one thing that I really like about this is in a large size home, you don't have to scream to tell everyone that dinner is ready. Simply with just one click, you can notify everyone and you can talk with each other. And honestly, this system has so many features that will take the entire video to explain it. With this technology, you can make your countertop to function like a giant iPad. This is not a built-in display. The entire surface can be usable as an interactive computer and countertop at the same time. You can watch your favorite show, browse on the internet while cooking. How great is that? The great thing that I like about this is you don't need a separate countertop or surface. You're literally using your countertop and it is so convenient. Invisible induction cooktop. To me, this is one of the most revolutionary technology ever created for the kitchen countertops. You can cook by induction directly on a countertop and use it as a work surface at the same time. And the surface won't burn your hand. The cooking area is completely hidden. Now as a designer, you can use laser light projection or different stone details if you want to distinguish this area from the rest of the countertop. The surface also is scratch resistant and heat resistant. One thing that was very interesting It was right after I should remove the hot pot. I touched the surface and the surface was warm, but it wasn't hot and it wasn't uncomfortable at all. Living in small spaces is challenging. Sometimes you feel you need that spacious living room because you have people coming over. Sometimes you need a bigger office, and sometimes you just need to change your office to become a bedroom. The idea that you can have all these spaces is amazing. This solution allows you to have several functional rooms, just not all of them at once. I think this idea is such a great idea for entertainment businesses because they can change their layout based on the type of event they book. I also think this technology is amazing for smaller spaces that have challenge to have everything. This gives them freedom to change their space based on their daily need. I love using light to create different mood in different spaces. Kohler introduced their Veil Lighting Bathroom Collection. This collection offers voice, lighting, and music experience. This collection includes intelligent toilet, freestand tub, lighted mirror, and lighted 3-piece vanity. And you have an option to decide to control these pieces with your voice, motion, remote, or app. The toilet is a piece of art. It's advanced intelligent toilet with water efficiency, personalized cleaning, dryer function, heated seat, and high quality built-in speaker. The faucet is touchless and it can activate by your voice or motion. The sink with the light is absolutely beautiful, and a touchless vanity front door transition from semi-opaque to translucent, and it makes easy to find everything that you're looking for. The ergonomic tub is absolutely gorgeous and super comfortable. It also has perfect fill technology. With just your voice, you can fill up your tub to the perfect temperature. Technology growing super fast. So many smart products are available these days that you can use in your project, and I'm excited to see what happens in 2020. I'm hoping this video inspire you and give you some ideas for your future build or renovation project. Like and subscribe for a good vibe, and I see you in my next video.